question. Why do men sneeze so loud?
Is it a fetish? Can I make money?
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
American woman, get away from me.
Confession this week is I was getting off the elevator in my apartment complex the other day, and you know when a sudden sneeze like hits you all just out of the blue?
Yes.
And I have a petite sneeze. It's polite. I sneezed right as I was kind of walking out of the elevator, but there was a man right in front of me. He was walking into the elevator right as I was walking out and sneezing. So I kind of sneezed on this man, and he looked pretty distraught. I mean, I was like, oh my God, I'm sorry. But then as I was walking away from the elevator, I was like, you know, that's something that really pisses me off is when someone walks into the elevator while you're still on the elevator getting off. There's elevator etiquette.
Decorum, people.
So he kind of deserved to get sneezed on, I guess. Sorry.
I don't know if that's a sneezable offense.
Is it a fetish? Can I make money? Hello. I have got to run because I need to get home for dinner. I've been at work way too long today. But I gotta ask a question. I recently posted a video of myself sneezing. I have this thing where I sneeze multiple times in a row. I posted a video of myself sneezing as I was filming something for TikTok. I thought it was funny. And apparently a lot of people did too. Got way more traction than most of my videos do these days. And then, to be even funnier, I happened to sneeze again that evening, so I filmed it as I was doing it and posted that as a response. Now, that has also got a bunch of views. And based on some of the things that people are saying to me in the comments, I'm kind of wondering, like, is there a sneeze fetish thing? Did I accidentally rock somebody's world with those? And if there is that kind of a thing, can somebody tell me how to make money doing it? Because I sneeze like that, and I might as well get something out of it other than, like, you know, terrified when I sneeze while driving down the road.
I'm gonna say it again! We should all be sneezing loudly. Sneezing problem? I lack nose hairs. I'm not joking.
Hey, it's all good. I try to shave my nose hairs.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
No.
I would need some nose implants.
Yeah, it's kind of
No,
weird.
seriously.
I have been sick with the flu for over a week now, and I am so over it. I just woke up from a nap because I'm so freaking exhausted, and I have stuff I need to do, like I have work. So I'm going to make myself the Teddy Graham latte to try to get myself out of this. I know, like, sickness is going around, but I literally have not gotten sick in months. Like, I got married in September, and I was so scared about being sick on my wedding, and I literally hadn't gotten sick for, like, I can't even tell you the last time I was sick. So I guess you could say I was due, but I'm not a good sick person, and I feel awful. I normally make my lattes with just honey and cinnamon, but we're gonna do a little bit of brown sugar this time, because apparently that's what gives it the Teddy Graham taste. We're just gonna do like a little though. And then the honey. And then cinnamon. And then I'm gonna brew this, brew my Dolce double espresso pod over this. Okay, got my ice, got my shots. I always use whole milk with my lattes. I like to pour the milk and the ice first because I feel like if you pour the shot right over the ice, it just melts it and then it gets like watered down like way too quick. Gosh. don't have like any of the symptoms besides congestion, and I'm not contagious anymore. I just am exhausted, like truly exhausted. Let's try this coffee. That's good. Okay, hopefully this will help me get some work done because I'm going crazy and I need to work. Anyway, stay safe out there, y'all. Take your vitamins. I mean, I do, but it still got me. But I'm on the up and up, sort of. Bye.
Listen what I say.
Bless me.
No, there's quiet sneezers out there, and then there's loud, obnoxious ones. Clearly, I'm loud and obnoxious sneezer. I wish I was a quiet sneezer like that. That would be amazing, but I'm a hachooer. Like, hachoo. Like that. My support buddies don't know what to say. They don't have any advice for me.
I just wanted to see what I look like when I sneeze. I've never seen it.
I feel as though when it comes to driving, sneezing is the scariest thing that you could physically do while operating a vehicle, aside from drinking and drugs. But like when it comes to other things, like texting, peripherals are there. Like, changing the music, peripherals are there. I sneeze and I'm out for a solid half a second, and that's not, it's terrifying. Like, I mean to tell you, like, I lose hearing, sight, clearly. Like, my body freezes, does that weird, like, so, like, I'm picturing Final Destination. Like, logs are coming at me, and I can't see them.
Okay, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support this.
Ow. The fuck was that? 5 out of 10.